Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming industries and changing the job market. As a result, many professionals are considering career transitions or might be considering the move to stay relevant in the workforce. But how can you successfully make this transition, while leveraging the power of AI? In today's video, we'll discuss some tips on how to make that career transition, including how to build your personal brand for success. Welcome to the PhD Push. Here are 4 tips to help you make a successful career transition, while leveraging the power of AI, and building a successful personal brand in the process. Number 1. Identify your transferable skills. One of the first steps in transitioning to a new career is identifying your transferable skills. These are the skills and experiences that can be applied across different industries and job roles. With AI becoming increasingly prevalent in the workforce, it's important to assess how your current skills and experiences can be leveraged in this new landscape. Start by reviewing job postings in your desired field to identify the key skills and qualifications that are required. Then, assess how your current skills and experiences align with those requirements. This will give you a clearer understanding of your strengths and areas for development. Number 2. Upskill yourself in AI fundamental technologies. This is a little similar to the first point, as it is important to have a basic understanding of the technology and its applications. Consider enrolling in courses or certifications that can teach you the fundamentals of this technology, and how it can be used in your desired field. This will not only help you stay relevant in the job market, but it will also give you a competitive edge in your job search. Number 3. Build your personal brand. Building your personal brand is crucial when transitioning to a new career, especially in a rapidly evolving job market. Start by creating a strong online presence through social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube. Share your thoughts and opinions on industry trends and topics related to your desired field. Establish yourself as a thought leader, and showcase your knowledge and expertise. Additionally, consider attending networking events and conferences to meet professionals in your desired field, and build valuable connections. Number 4. Seek guidance from mentors. Seeking guidance from mentors can be invaluable when transitioning to a new career. Look for individuals who have successfully made a similar career transition, or have experience in the field you're interested in. Ask for advice on how to develop your skills, build your personal brand, and navigate the job market. A mentor can provide valuable insights and guidance to help you achieve success. The rise of artificial intelligence is leading to an impending change in the job market and a shift in the industrial paradigm. This change is creating a challenge for individuals who are seeking to maintain relevance in the new era. However, with the right approach, transitioning to a new career in the age of AI can be achieved. It is essential to identify potential transferable skills, upskill yourself in these technologies, and build a strong personal brand that highlights these skills. Additionally, seeking guidance from mentors who have successfully navigated the transition process can provide valuable insights and support. By adopting these strategies, individuals can successfully make the transition and thrive in the new era of work. If you found this video informative and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos on career transition, academic life, personal branding, and other related topics. Your support motivates us to create more valuable content that can help you succeed in your career goals. Thank you for watching.